السلام علیکم فرینڈز، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل مسرور ایجوکیشن انسائٹس۔ دوستوں، اس ویڈیو میں ہمارے پاس اسلامک اسٹڈیز کی چند اہم MCQs ہیں جو کہ تمام قسم کی انٹری ٹیسٹ کی تیاری میں آپ کے لیے مفید ثابت ہوں گے۔ مزید کسی بھی قسم کی انٹری ٹیسٹ کی تیاری کے لیے ہمارا چینل سبسکرائب کرنا مت بھولیے۔ لیٹس اسٹارٹ۔ کوسچن نمبر 1، واٹ از دا سبجیکٹ آف ہولی قرآن؟ Answer is human. Next question is, how many verses were revealed in the first wahi? Answer is 5. Next question is, on which prophet Torah was revealed? Answer is Hazrat Musa. Next is, what is meaning of Al-Baqarah? Cow is the right answer. Next is, how many prophets mentioned in Holy Quran? Answer is 26. Next is, how many days Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, stayed during Tabuk battle? Answer is 20 days. Next is, which surah is called Al-Hamd? Answer is Surah Fatiha. Next is, Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was caliph for dash years. Answer is 10 years. Next is, in which Hijri Ghazwa Khaybar was fought? The right answer is 7 Hijri. Next is, I'tikaf during the month of Ramzan is? Answer is Sunnah. Next question is, which prophet has been mentioned the most in Holy Quran? The answer is Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Next is, which article of the Constitution of 1973 is related to the affairs of Zakat? Answer is 31. Next question is, Hijri calendar was started in? The right answer is 622 AD. Next is, which surah contains the order about wuzu, ghusl and tayammum? Surat Al-Maidah is the right answer. Next is, what is the means of jizya? The answer is poll tax on non-Muslims. Next is, which surah is known as the heart of Holy Quran? Surah Yasin is the right answer. Next is, when does the Treaty of Hudaybiyah take place? The answer is 6th Hijri. Next question is, how many Madni surah are there? The right answer is 28. Next question is, which was the first battle of Islam? The answer is Battle of Badr. Last question is, the name of the sixth kalma is? Answer is Kalma Radde Kufr. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe.